full grain or top grain? Which leather is best for durability, luxury, and value? If you've ever been confused about leather types, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate comparison, so you can choose wisely for your next leather project or purchase. Stick around till the end for pro tips. Full grain versus top grain leather, in-depth explanation 1. What is full grain leather? Definition: the highest quality leather made from the top layer of the hide, including the natural grain. Characteristics: uncorrected, natural marks, scars, and texture remain. Extremely durable and develops a rich patina over time. Breathable and resistant to moisture. Uses: luxury bags, boots, belts, high-end furniture, and heirloom-grade products. 2. What is top grain leather? Definition: the second best tier, where the top layer is sanded, buffed to remove imperfections. Characteristics: smoother, more uniform finish, often coated with pigments or protective layers. Less rigid than full grain but still durable. Lighter and more flexible. Uses: designer handbags, wallets, jackets, and mid-range furniture. 3. Key differences: feature full grain leather, top grain leather surface, natural, untouched, sanded, and refinished durability. Highest, ages beautifully. Good, but may wear faster. Appearance: unique, rustic uniform, polished breathability, excellent reduced due to coatings. Price: expensive, premium, mid-range, affordable. 4. Which one should you choose? Pick full grain if you want longevity, natural beauty, and don't mind imperfections. Pick top grain if you prefer a sleeker look, easier maintenance, and a lower price point. 5. Pro tips for buyers or makers. Check for labels. Genuine leather is not the same as full top grain. Feel the texture. Full grain feels rugged, top grain feels softer. Patina test. Full grain darkens elegantly. Top grain's coating may crack over time. Which leather do you prefer? Full grain's rugged charm or top grain's polished finish? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more leather wisdom. Next up, how to spot fake leather. Stay tuned.